Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to take next topic of our English subject. So dear, first tell me, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So the name of our topic is reading time 1.8, reading time. So dear students, have you seen your first standards class? Yes, you all have seen your class. There are so many things in your classroom. For example, blackboard, chalks, duster, table, chair, cupboard, windows, door. These all are things in your classroom. So, today our topic is regarding to our classroom. So read aloud. See, this is my classroom. This is my classroom. This is my classroom. There is a big blackboard on the wall. There is a big blackboard on the wall. This is a blackboard. Our teacher writes on it with a chalk. Our teacher writes on it with a chalk. See, blackboard and chalks. Okay. So, the teacher has a table to keep her books on. The teacher has a table to keep her books on. She also has a chair to sit on. She also has a chair to sit on. She is busy the whole day. She is busy the whole day. We have benches to sit on and desks to keep our books on. Our classroom has a door and two windows. Our classroom has a door and two windows. There are charts. There are many charts on the walls. The charts display children's work on various topics. Our teacher also shows us short films, songs and stories with the help of the projector. It is fun to watch the films. So these are the charts in our classroom. Have you seen the projector? Yes. This is our projector. See. And these are charts. These are charts in our classroom. See, these are benches also. So many benches are there. Okay. There is a cupboard near the wall. There is a cupboard near the wall. We keep our material there. We keep our material there. See, this is our cupboard and we keep our material there inside the cupboard. Okay. There is a dustbin in the corner. We keep our classroom clean. There is a dustbin in the corner. We clean our classroom clean. We keep our classroom clean. So, this is our topic, reading time. In this topic we have seen some things in our classroom, that is blackboard, chalk, table, chair, benches, desks, books, cupboard, door, window, as well as dustbin. So dear students, now this is your exercise. In the space given below, draw pictures of things in your classroom. You have to draw some pictures of things in your classroom like blackboard, table, chalk, chair. You have to draw these things in your classroom. This is your classwork. For example, see, here is one example. This is a table, correct? Now today's homework. Describe your own classroom in 5 sentences with the words given below. You have to describe your own classroom in the 5 sentences with the words given below. Which words are given? See the words. See, board, chalk, table, chair, benches, desks, books, door, windows, cupboard, and dustbin. You have to describe your own classroom by using these words. So use these words and complete your homework. The words are board, chalk, table, chair, benches, desks, books, door, windows, cupboard, and dustbin. So you have to describe your classroom. Okay? Thank you.